Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing wonderful. Today I am going to show you how to make this easy, inexpensive pie, and it is so good. It is such a good dessert, you guys, and it's so inexpensive. What you're going to need is your whipped topping, okay, and that is your Cool Whip, not the canned whipped cream, but your Cool Whip. You're going to need your graham cracker crust. Now I bought this. You can make it yourself with graham cracker and butter and sugar. You're going to need your lemon curd, and I got this from Trader Joe's. But you can make your own. I have not, but there are recipes for it. But I got this from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to add some fresh lemon zest into mine because I like things where it's very tart when we're dealing with lemon. So stick around. We're going to make a great summertime, summertime pie. Okay, so I've got the Cool Whip out. Just took it out of the freezer, okay? So I've got to let that defrost just for a couple seconds because it is hot here. It's going to be about 80 degrees. You know, just the way I like it. If you know me, you know I don't. Okay, and then let's just take, and what I like about these particular ones, this is Keebler, is it comes with the cover, so you can cover up your pie when you're done, which is nice, because you're going to want to put this back in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. Okay, so let's go ahead and zest. And I use these, you guys. You get them at the grocery store or at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they come in 5 different colors, and I use each color for different things that I'm cutting. But they're nice because they clean up really nice and they keep the counter clean. Okay, and oh my gosh, let me tell you, I love this zester. And now I know a lot of you probably had pantry chef parties. I used to have them all the time, and I used to get some really neat stuff. I mean, for having the party, you know, you really do get some nice stuff. So anyway, I'm just going to zest. Sorry, the camera's the other way, but oh well. Well, I can try to show you with my left hand, but I'm not left-handed. So how are you guys doing? Are you hanging in there? Are we all hanging in there together? I hope. Okay. All right. So let's get all that good zest out of there. Okay, isn't that pretty? All right. All right, let's see. This should be almost thawed enough. Oh yeah, it's getting there. And all you need is enough to incorporate this lemon zest. And I like the jar, so I'm going to keep the jar because I'll do something. You know me, I'm always looking for different. Oh, that is so pretty. Smells so good. And I know it's not hard to make. Actually, I think I will try it at some point, because why not? Okay. Like I said, this is the perfect dessert for the summertime because it's very light, and being it comes from the refrigerator, it's very, very nice for spring and summer. Okay, I have the lemon curd and the Cool Whip together. So you're just going to mix that all up. So we're just going to keep incorporating this, just folding it in Okay, this is ready to be put into the pie shell. Look at how beautiful. It's the most beautiful shade of yellow. It's like a chiffon. So pretty. Okay, so we're going to add some of our lemon zest. And again, it's optional. Pretty. And guys, this is so fast. So fast. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's get, oh boy, is that good. Oh my gosh. And that lemon zest just adds a kick. Another pampered chef rubber spatula. I use this spatula all the time. Okay. And now to top it, you could use two different kinds of topping really if you wanted. You could use a cream cheese like you do on cheesecake. I'm just going to use the rest of the Cool Whip. So this whole pound tub did this pie. And what's so nice is if you're going, you know, like in the summer, if you're going somewhere, you can just make this the night before. I mean, it doesn't take any time at all. It really doesn't. And again, you can just, or you don't have to put the Cool Whip. Whatever you want to do with this, do it. Then you're just going to take that cover and you're going to pop it back in the freezer, and whenever you're ready to serve it, you just take it out of the freezer, cut it up, and it'll be ready to eat within 5-10 minutes, especially in the summertime. Okay, let's top it. Can you tell I love lemon? I love lemon. You know, it's funny, my whole family are chocolate lovers, all of them. Except my one son, Jeremy, he's more of a pie person too, but I love citrus. I love lemon anything. And there you go. Pretty little presentation, and this just says, hello, spring, bringing in summer. Guys, until we get together again, happy Mother's Day. And remember, moms, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.